We begin tonight with our continuing coverage of the death of 8-year-old Genesis Mata. The details of her death have shocked Kern County. Many of our viewers have noticed disturbing parallels to a high-profile case in California from the 2010s. Now the center of a hugely popular Netflix docuseries. 17's Connor Dorr, who broke Genesis' story, joins us in studio now with more. Connor?
Tammy, Genesis's father, 31-year-old Ray Mata, and stepmother, 27-year-old Graciela Bustamante, are accused of her abuse, torture, and murder. Gabriel Fernandez, an 8-year-old Palmdale boy, was abused, tortured, and murdered in 2013 by his mother and her boyfriend. Both of Genesis's accused killers and Gabriel's killers were charged with torture and murder with the added legal term, special circumstances.
The murder charge is also filed with a special circumstance, which essentially allows them to seek the death penalty in these particular charges for both individuals.
Alexia Torres Stallings is a criminal defense attorney. Both Graciela Bustamante and Ray Mata are facing the same charges, murder, torture, and cruelty. But with the special circumstance, Torres Stallings says both are facing life without parole or the death penalty. Just like Genesis's killing in Kern County, Gabriel Fernandez's case shocked LA County. He was kept bound and gagged in a locked cabinet almost every night. He endured beatings daily. He was shot in the face with a BB gun, and he was forced to eat cat litter, feces, and his own vomit. His mother, Pearl Fernandez, pled guilty to first-degree murder and was sentenced to life without parole, meaning she will never have hope of parole. Her boyfriend, Isaro Aguirre, pleaded not guilty, went to trial, and was sentenced to death. And just like in Genesis's case, CPS had been notified of the abuse multiple times. In Gabriel's case, 2 CPS social workers and their supervisors were actually charged criminally for child abuse and falsifying public documents because of their perceived inaction of not removing Gabriel from the home. Ultimately, their case went to the appeals court and was dismissed.
It's an interesting thought in the sense that we are being met with this again in a less than 10-year period. As a lot of your viewers have said, they are seeking answers from CPS. And so it's an important consideration to make, but I think that it's going to be something that the prosecutors are going to have to look into.
They have these titles, Department of Children and Family Services, but do they really help the families? No. Children's Protective Services. Where was the protection if there were so many calls or reports and open cases regarding the kids?
Emily Carranza, Gabriel's cousin and a founder of the Gabriel Fernandez Foundation, sees similarities in Gabriel and Genesis.
The abuse, the smile behind the abuse, probably wanting to be loved, probably trying to do everything in her power to be accepted.
We called and emailed DHS today, and CPS is still not answering our questions. Our questions are, how many reports of abuse came into CPS about Mata or Bustamante? At what time did they start coming in? Was a social worker ever sent to the motel to check on the kids? Have the social workers who worked on the opened Mata case faced any disciplinary action? A DHS spokesperson did say they are unable to answer our questions due to various government and welfare institution laws, and said they cannot comment on personnel matters. Both Gabriel and Genesis were 8 years old. Both had contact with social workers, and one of their biological parents and their parents' significant others are accused of killing them. In studio, Connor Dorr, 17 News.